Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna make some fudgy brownies. I will link the recipe in the description below, so let's get to the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Some days you're just craving some chocolate or some brownies, and this recipe is sugar-free and gluten-free, so you will need some coconut oil. And this coconut oil that I'm using is from this brand here, Nutiva, which is virgin coconut oil. You will need some sugar replacement, which I got this bag from Costco. It's from the Whole Earth, is erythritol and monkey fruit. You need 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and then for cocoa powder, I'm using this brand here from Whole Foods. It's organic cocoa powder, unsweetened. We will need some almond flour, and I'm using this brand here. It's from Costco. It's almond flour blanched. We will also need some salt. I'm using pink salt. And here we have some shredded coconut and some chocolate. So for coconut, I'm using this unsweetened shredded coconut, 100% organic. It's gluten-free. And for the dark chocolate, because I like the fudgy, so I'm using this extra chocolate here that is organic, completely cacao chips from Trader Joe's. So let's get started. So we will need a medium-sized bowl, and we can start adding our melt coconut oil. Let's make sure we get everything here. Then we will add our sugar replacement. So be sure to stir very well until the sugar replacement is mixed in. Then we can now go ahead and add the 2 eggs. Now let's add the vanilla extract. Now let's add the cocoa powder. Make sure you keep stirring until the batter is very smooth and you don't see any pieces of the cocoa powder. Now we can go ahead and add our almond flour. Now I change it to a spatula that is easy to mix with. Now I will add my shredded coconut. This is totally optional, guys, so if you don't like it, you don't have to include this one. Now last but not least, our chocolate chips. So I had some dark chocolate left over and I mixed that with the chocolate chips from Trader Joe's because I like some extra fudgy brownies. So, and then keep mixing everything until all your ingredients are combined, and then we are almost ready to put our batter in the oven. So now I'm using this dish here. It's the measurements, it's 9 by 9 and 3 inches deep, and I'm covering that now with a parchment paper. so it's easier when the brownie is coming out of the oven later on. So now I'm putting here the batter. The batter is a little bit thicker, but trust me, it's gonna be very fudgy. And I throw here in the parchment paper, and with the spatula I will try to actually smooth it out the batter before I place that inside the oven. And the batter is ready. Pop it in the oven. So was in the oven for 20 minutes, and now I'm letting cool down a little bit before we start cutting it. So that's the finished brownie, and now we're gonna cut it so you guys can see. Look at these, it's so fudgy and delicious. My house smells amazing, and these never last a long time here. So make sure you give this recipe a try and leave me a comment below once you make it at home and tell me what you think. I'm telling you, you will love it. Plus, it's a guilt-free because you can have as many as you wanted. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and keto. So I hope you enjoy this recipe when you make, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so we can stay connected. See you in my next video.